Hi viewers, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's reading specially for the couples. Okay, whomever dealing with someone, don't watch singles. It is particularly about the connection which is already existed. What is going on in this connection? Okay, with whomever you are dealing in that connection, what is going on, and it's about the relationship, not about the professional matter. Okay, if at all you are dealing with someone in a professional way, I don't think it is going to match with you. If at all it is about the emotions, or at least some way or other way, not deeply emotionally attached, but there is a connection existed, like love interest kind of thing, then you can watch for that person. Okay, or that connection. More than person, it is like in what going on in this connection. So whatever connection you may be dealing with that person, personal relationship, which is like maybe already married life, or love in the love, or love interest, just not at proposed, but you have feelings and you know that other person also have feelings. That's where, or at least you know that there is a friendship, but there is a huge chance that that friendship is going to become something. Okay, maybe it is a friendship as of now, but you know that other person also have feelings for you. You have feelings for them, but you may both maybe have friendship from very long time. Now you want to take that, or at least expecting more than friendship with that person. Okay, with that connection also you can watch. And love interest, as I said, maybe you are interested in someone, they may be interested in you. You know, but not at proposing to each other, or at least not at express your feelings to them. But strictly, you know, you are dealing with someone. Don't watch singles who don't have anyone and don't tell that, madam, I don't have anyone. How can I, someone is interested in me? How can someone is doing this? If at all you don't have anyone, don't watch. Because see, it is a 12 zodiac signs, n number of people, right? If you choose Aries, that Aries can match with n number of people. So, and moreover, it is a general messages. It is not your personal reading that exactly accurately. If at all really it is accurately matching with you with your situation, based on your energy, it's really great. But still, it is like a general messages. And moreover, here it is only for below 5 minutes. Okay, because I won't do in-depth reading. So here you cannot exactly understand that whatever situation it is exactly with you or not. You can only understand the energy, right? But in the PK card, as in I have PK card channel, in that I will do in-depth reading where every bit of that situation, connection, that person I will speak. So you will understand that exactly whether that person, that situation, connection is belongs to you or not, or at least resonate with you or not. But here you don't have that chance. That's why I'm telling. Only below 5 minutes reading. So just general messages, take it in a general way only. Don't try to come like insist to match with the energy or messages. Okay. If one or two messages matching, take it. Okay. And anyway, as I said, it is a personal reading. Sorry, like personal relationship kind of thing. So moon sign is the preferred sign, or Venus. Okay, I don't think you should go for the sun. As I say, if at all you know certain sign which is dominating lot in your chart, birth chart, you can watch for that sign. Okay, because it is an energetic reading. Sometimes maybe you are not going to get your sign. That is nothing but a signal that you are not in your energy. You may be surrounded by other person energy or people energy. Okay. So, what's going on in this connection, especially for the couples who are dealing in the connection or relationship? Let's get into the reading. So, hi Aries, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So, today's topic, what's going on in your connection? So, Aries, you know that you are dealing with someone, and we will see what's going on in that connection. So, meanwhile, go and subscribe. If at all you not subscribed, if at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Aries, I don't know with whom you are dealing. That person is maybe already affected by STD. Okay, that is also one reason they are not taking any action towards you. And moreover, if at all you feel that no, Anita, they are not listening to their intuition, that is the reason why this person is not taking action towards me. No, that's not true. Actually, the thing is they are loving themselves. So at least not in a huge way, spiritual way kind of thing, but they loving themselves. But they are not interacting with anyone. See, in the past, maybe this person is like having parties, fun, friends, going out lot, like interacting with different people, or at least in the party kind of person. Now, but it doesn't mean that they are completely doing something. They are loving themselves. So they are in touch with their emotions. They know what they want, what they don't want. They have idea about themselves. It is. But the thing is, as of now, they are king of swords. Okay, they are very logical now. The reason is they got steady. They may be not telling you, maybe they cannot tell you, but they got steady. Somewhere you may be feeling that no, Anita, if at all they listen to their intuition, at least they should know maybe this person is completely confused. If they are not listening to their intuition, they are not in touch with their emotions. That is the reason why they are not taking any action towards me. No, you are all wrong. Whether they may be really connected to the universe or not, I don't know. Like spiritually listening to their intuition, I don't know, but they're loving themselves. They're not in a confusion. They have clarity, determined, king of swords, determined what they want in their life. This person have clear picture about their life, what they want. As of now, they are loving themselves. They are giving that cup to themselves, and that is also one reason. Like, see, now I know what I want. Moreover, as I said, they got STD. If at all you are expecting any kind of new beginning, page of wands I got, you are not going to get with that person. The reason, as I said, maybe they are not going to tell you about their health issue. That's what going on in your connection. So it is what's going on in your connection. This person want to juggle. Maybe it is in the professional way. Pentacles I got. So if at all you are connected to this person in the professional as well as personal, like a professional as well as like business with pleasure kind of thing. Now you may be not seeing this person that they are coming towards you, or they may be not dealing with you, not having fun with you, not having that time with you. Okay, this person keeping tabs on you. They are keeping tabs on you. They don't want to communicate. They're not secretive completely. This person keeping tabs on you. What you are doing, where you are going, they have idea. They don't want to communicate. They are silent now. They maybe have two of cups with someone. They are silent now. They don't want to communicate. What is the suggestion for you? If at all in the past this person juggled, maybe now they want to end that. They want to end that juggling game. The reason is simple, because they got STD. They cannot entertain sexual things. You have earned all your strips. Don't seek anyone's approval. Whomever it is, whatever you are today, because of your own abilities, own strength, you don't need someone beside you. And don't seek anyone's expectations. If at all you have any issue going towards someone, ending the cycle, even though you know that this person is regular, you are not ending the cycle because of so and so reasons, I don't think you should think about all those things. Okay, you need to move forward in your life. Thank you for watching. So hi Taurus, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. Taurus, cards are in hurry for you. What's going on in your connection? So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you're not subscribed. If at all you've already subscribed, thank you so much for the subscription, Taurus. So what's going on my Taurus connection? What's going on? Emperor in the reverse. What's going on in my Taurus connection? Emperor. You may be dealing with some narcissistic boss kind of person. You maybe came to know about the truth that this person is a narcissist. Now you don't want any new beginning with that person. No. Or you are the Taurus, right? That's why I'm not taking. Completely fire sign you are dealing with. Now you maybe came to know about this person, that this person is a narcissistic boss. They are completely power abuser. And you came to know about the truth, this person. That is also one reason. Maybe somewhere you came to know about that this person don't want any new beginning with you. They are not seeing you as a queen of wands, or they may be seeing you like a queen of wands in the reverse, who is ready to trade themselves for the opportunities. If at all you are looking with this emperor, uh, not emperor, it is a fake emperor. Any kind of four of wands energy, which is like living in kind of situation, they are not interested in you. They maybe have crossroads, or they maybe have other options. Two of swords. You are not the only one for this person. Don't get triggered. That's the truth. Okay. I don't have much time to deliver the messages in a calmer way, silent way, like in a pleasing way. They have other options also. I think you already know, because this person is like an emperor. At least they show that I'm the emperor, fiery boss kind of person, and they came to know about you that you are like a queen of wands in the reverse who trade them yourself for them. I don't know how much truth it is. Okay, at least they feel that. That's why they don't want to have any kind of new beginnings with you, any kind of living in situation or working partnership. They don't want anything. They have other option. Taurus. It is also your card, Six of Pentacles. If at all you are thinking that no, Anita, I want to work with this person, and it may be like work. I don't know how come monkey came. We don't have monkeys here. So you may be expecting equal give and take with this person, then you never going to get equal give and take with this person, because they are not interested. I don't know why they are not telling you. The reason is this person came to know about certain truths about you. That is what it is, like a queen of wands in the reverse. Maybe they thought that you are like a businesswoman, queen of wands, but that is also one reason they maybe want to work with you, business with pleasure kind of way. But now they came to know that no, you are not a queen of wands. You are queen of wands in the reverse. What is going on in this connection? Maybe this person ended everything with you. You are the one who is not accepting the ending, which is like a death. If at all they had any kind of addiction towards you in the past, they are no more addicted to you. They are no more codependent. You are the one, maybe you are not understanding the situation. Maybe you are going through some rough patch. That is the reason you want this person, which is like money wise. Six of Pentacles in the reverse, which is like Five of Pentacles. I already got you. Maybe in the poverty, or you need some kind of help, at least a professional help, because you are seeing this person as a emperor. So this person may be ex-boss. So now you maybe again want to work with that person. In the past, maybe you both had that business with pleasure. That time maybe this person have addictions. At least sexually you both had some kind of thing. Now they don't want anything. At least to see, even though it is trigger you, they came to know about certain things, which is like they feel that they don't like they deserve something better, but here you deserve something better. You deserve salt, you sugar, not salt. See, this is a fake emperor or narcissistic boss. Why you want to go back to the narcissistic boss? When you know someone is narcissist, ended everything, think that it is a blessing, but you are not accepting the blessing. Thank you for watching. So hi Gemini, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what is going on in your connection. So meanwhile, go and subscribe. If at all you're not subscribed, if at all you are not subscribed, thank you for the subscription. So Geminis, what's going on in your connection? Geminis, you made the wrong decision about someone who is like a king of cups. They may be offered cup of love to you, or they are ready to take care of you like a father figure. But you are like, no, I don't want love. I'm not interested in love. What is going on in your connection? Maybe you are interested in sneaky link. You maybe have love for someone, so you want to go towards that person in a sneaky way. And you know that wherever you are going, by holding cup of love, there is a competition. That there is other person also who is competing for that person. But still you are like, no, Anita, I will go. It is a sneaky way, I will go. So here, what's going on in your connection? You made a wrong decision, that's for sure. You made the wrong decision by not accepting the cup from this king of cups. Maybe. What's going on in your connection, Gemini? What's going on in your connection? Hmm. What's going on in your connection? What's going on in my Gemini's connection? You maybe choose someone whom you thought that I have two of cups, Anita. Actually, that person is queen of cups in the reverse, not a queen of cups. If at all you feel that that person is queen of cups, Anita, and I share two of cups, then this person is queen of cups in the reverse, or you may be the one who is queen of cups in the reverse. And they may be feel that you have two of cups with them. That is the reason they came up like a king of cups. But you maybe know that you are not the king of cups, queen of cups. You may be knight of cups, and you hold love for someone, not for this person with whom you have sneaky link. What's going on with your connection, Gemini? If at all, Gemini, you are the one who is king of cups, that is not your sign. Anyway, the judgment is your sign. Take the messages, okay? If at all you are the king of cups with someone you want to offer cup of love by thinking that this person is my queen of cups, Anita, I want to have two of cups, then no. That is not queen of cups. It is a queen of cups in the reverse. That person is knight of cups and they hold already feelings for someone. That someone is their sneaky link and they are competing for that person with other person. So this is not your person, whomever you are watching. What's going on in your connection, Gemini? See, you need to come out of codependency. If at all you codependent on this person, even though you know that here I'm not seeing, you don't know. You know that this person is not a queen of cups, but still you want to run behind them. You want to build two of cups. Then come out of this codependency. You have codependency, and you are feeling that because of that codependency, you are not understanding the difference between the love and dependency. That's what I'm seeing. You have new beginning. If at all you come out of codependency, you have new beginning. Ace of and new beginning with Queen of Wands. What's going on in your connection? Geminis. You need to take the plunge towards this Queen of Wands, whomever they may be, become Queen of Swords. And if at all you think that this person is King of Wands, Queen of Cups, that's why I want to have two of Cups, you're running behind the wrong person. That person has sneaky personality. It is a thief. Or this is a liar, cheater. Maybe they cheated you that you are the King of Cups, I'm the Queen of Cups. Actually, that's not true. For you, self-love. Okay? Love yourself. Maybe if at all it is not you, you are the Queen of Cups, then love yourself. Whatever methods I said, okay? Here, forgiveness and loving yourself is very important. Forgiveness doesn't mean that you need to entertain them. Just love yourself. When you love yourself, you may be just a King of Cups. When you love yourself, you will become Queen of Cups. That is nothing but connecting with your heart chakra. Then you will understand who is your original Queen of Cups, okay? Because you are running behind the wrong person by thinking that that is your right person. Thank you for watching. So, hi Cancer, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So, today's topic is what's going on in your connection. Okay, so meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you're not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button in my other channel. Oh, Cancer. What's going on in your connection, Cancer? What's going on in my Cancer's connection? See, you may be dealing with someone who is like a earth sign Queen of Pentacle, and you came to know about certain secrets that with this person you are not going to get any equal give and take. You may have ended everything, but this person not accepting the death. You may be said that no, I don't want to deal with you because even though you are a Queen of Pentacle, you are not maintaining equal give and take. So you may be ended the connection, but they are not accepting the ending. What's going on in your connection, Gemini? Sorry, Cancer. Maybe you are the one who is dealing with the Gemini sign. See, this person maybe have sneaky link with other person, other partner or person, which is like a Four of Wands. You, Cancer, Your energy is not there. You need to listen to your intuition, Cancer, because you are not listening to your intuition. There is no water. Only Four of Cups is there. That is nothing but not showing interest in your own emotions. Because of not in touch with your own emotions, you are not understanding who is true to you, who is lying to you. You are not understanding because this is a cheater. They have sneaky link with minimum two people, at least two people or one person with whom they want to have Four of Wands. But that for with whomever they want Four of Wands, that person is not concentrating on them. They are trying hard. They tried hard. You may be the one who is not accepting the death if at all this person ended everything. Because you still came up like I'm the king of cups. Please stay with me. What's going on in your connection, Cancer? Bring the emotions, Cancer. Cancer itself is like in a water. Where is the water? You are like, no, Anita, I don't want any emotions. What's going on in your connection? Without emotions, why you want to have in the connections? Why you want to you keep yourself in the connections? No listening to your intuition. You're not listening to your intuition. See, you're not aware of certain kind of truth and you think that this person is my wish fulfillment. I want this person. I'm the king of cups. Or you feel that someone in your life who is like a king of cups, with that person is your wish fulfillment and you want to have. Not seeing here. Why you are feeling that this person is your wish fulfillment? Because it is a sneaky link to something ended, that happened. There is no Eight of Wands. If at all you try for again that Eight of Wands, you're not going to get that Eight of Wands. Let me pull some clarifies. Actually, I don't pull here. What is this Eight of Swords in the reverse? There is certain truth you don't know. You need to know. Five of Swords. What's going on in Cancer's connection? Here, lot of lies is there in this connection. More than lies, secrets. No one is, either you, either other person. No one is speaking the truth. Maybe you both need to sit and speak the truth. What exactly it is. Then maybe you both can forgive each other and walk away from the situation, or forgive each other and come back to the situation. But if at all you both won't speak the truth, because someone is sneaky links, they carry sneaky links, and other person is, I don't have any emotions, but still I will take care of you like a king of cups, father figure. When you don't have yourself emotions, how can you take care of someone? It is an empty cup. This person coming up like a king of cups, but about this Four of Cups, it is an empty cup. It may be about the money, because this is a Cancer. If at all you are the one who is Cancer, just because you are end up in the poverty, you want someone who is like a stable person, then I think you should think about it again. Okay, thank you for watching. So hi Leo, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection, Leos. So meanwhile, go and subscribe. If at all you're not subscribed, if at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. So what's going on, my Leos connection? See, you came to know about certain truths, Leo, about someone who is like a Queen of Pentacles in your life, but you don't want to speak the truth, or you don't want to release yourself from that person, because you are feeling somewhere helpless. Yes, Anita, I came to know about all the truth. This person is not a good person. They may be a criminal. I don't want to stay with them. Four of Wands. You may be in the connection with that person in a Four of Wands energy, which is like living in situation. But now you came to know about certain truth about them. That is the reason you don't want to deal with them. But you are, at least you are feeling that I don't know how to come out of it. Because it is like a page of swords in the reverse. Feeling powerless, helpless. Because you are feeling that this person is a criminal. So I cannot come out of it. Leos, you don't want Four of Wands with this person. You don't want to live with this person. You don't want to have any kind of connection, partnership with this person. But still you are feeling stuck because I'm powerless. I'm stuck with this person in this connection. What is going on in your connection, Leos? If at all it is not you, then other person is feeling the same way. Take the messages based on your energy. Because King of Pentacles is not your energy, that's why I took it. Maybe other person. You are feeling stuck in this connection. What's going on in your connection, Leos? What's going on in my Leo's connection? You may be working on yourself, or you may be not giving up on someone who is completely focused on work. What's going on? Leo's connection. Whom you may be already betrayed. For this person, you may be betrayed them. Now they are no more interested in you. With that person, you want Four of Wands. What is this? Maybe you choose the wrong person, Leos. You know better than me, but the messages are that. Okay? You maybe choose someone else over someone. But when you choose someone, you went for the Four of Wands, like let's build together, let's become partners, let's build create some kind of thing. But you came to know about certain truth about that person. That person is a criminal. Maybe they said that we will become a very good partner, so you came into the partnership. After that, you came to know that that person is completely do illegal things, or just it is a criminal card. That card itself is like a crimes. So you understood you should not work with that person. Now you want to come out, but you are feeling like I don't know, Anita, how to come out of it. At the same time, you have someone who is very hardworking. They maybe earn their money in the right way. So now you don't want to give up on that person. That person may be the person, same person whom you betrayed them in the past because of this criminal. Now that person don't want you. In the past, if at all they had any kind of obsession, they came out of it. They are not looking for any kind of connection with you. If at all they want to have connection, also they want to have with someone new, not with you. This is like a business partnership I'm seeing more than, maybe it is like a business with pleasure. Maybe it is partnership, business, passion, fire, everything. What's going on in your connection? So now you want, no, I want that person, I want victory with that person. And that person is no, I don't want. What is the suggestion for you? Leos, what is the suggestion for you? This person maybe became very logical now. They don't want to deal with you. If at all you are expecting 8 of Wands, you are not going to get with this person. They want victory with someone else. Cards are not wrong. Don't be afraid to sing. If at all you need to speak some kind of truth, you need to do that. You should do that because you are hiding some truth. If at all you speak the truth, maybe you are going to get that new beginning with someone. Okay? Thank you for watching. So hi Virgo, welcome to Vatsva Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection, Virgos. So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. So Virgos, what's going on in my Virgos connection? You know, but you are acting like, no Anita, I need to choose heart, whomever you are dealing with. There is no confusion in this connection. But someone is acting like, no, I have confusion. I need to choose. What's going on in this connection? They are ready for the new beginning. Virgo. They are ready for the new beginning. Someone here listening to their intuition. Okay? They are completely connected to their intuition. They are like a divine feminine here. If at all it is you or the other person. They are completely listening to their intuition. They are ready for the new beginning. There is no confusion, nothing. Virgo. They want new beginning with someone who is like a 10 of Wands. They already carried lot of burdens. With the same person, they are looking for one small new beginning. Because Page, it is a small new beginning. What's going on in this connection, Virgos? What's going on in this? Ace of Wands. What's going on in this connection? Nothing is hidden here. Everything is clear. Virgo, I think if at all it is you, I think you also, there is no confusion here in these cards. Completely clarity is there. Two people are at least If at all you are dealing with someone and you are wondering that whether that person want new beginning with me or not, yes, they want. If at all they are pretending that no, let me choose, I am still confused. No, no more confusion. They have clarity. They want this new beginning with you because they are completely listening to their intuition. They are very strong. At least they are completely internally very strong, confident, courageous about this connection. They don't have any kind of self doubts. Okay, and they know that you're a very responsible person. Are you ready to take the responsibilities on your shoulders? Are you maybe already took a lot of responsibility, so at least they feel that yes, I can trust this person. They are a very responsible person, and they are ready to have this ace of wands new beginning and eight of wands. But so they are listening to their intuition. At least they are following the guidance of someone who is very highly intuitive person, healer, or they may be getting some kind of healing, or listening to their intuition. As I said, one way or other way, this person completely connected to their intuition. If at all you are feeling that no, Anita, this person is completely confused, stuck mentally, that's why they are not making any decision. No, you are wrong, because I'm not seeing this person is confused. In the past maybe, but not now. Okay, they have clarity what they want, and they know that they want new beginning with you because they see that you are a very responsible person. You are not going to run away from the responsibilities. Okay, what's going on with Rose connection? They want stable new beginning with you. Okay, maybe this person is going to take a little bit more time because they are looking for long term, stable, loyal, reliable partnership. That is also one reason they maybe want a little bit more time, and it may be confusing you because whether this person want me or not, kind of thing. If at all you are feeling in that way, I don't think you should worry about it. Maybe they are taking a little bit more time, whatever you are expecting. That is also one reason. Somewhere you may be feeling that maybe this person is not interested. I'm not thinking. You need to come out of that fear. If at all you are holding that fear, maybe Anita, this person is not interested in me. They may be looking for someone, or they may be have other options, so they may be going towards other options. Then come out of all those mindsets. Or thinking, overthinking. I'm seeing here more than anything. This is overthinking from your end. I'm not seeing from their end because their energy is clear. Okay. In the past, maybe they had confusion like, shall I go with this person? Shall I have new beginning with this person or not? But now they are decided. No. I want to have, because they are seeing that you are very responsible. You are not going to run away from the responsibilities, and they are making this decision by listening to their intuition. Okay. But the thing is, this is a night, so it will take a little bit more time. Maybe it is like you need to wait for 2-3 more months. Don't be in this overthinking energy. Come out of it. Okay. If at all this person dealt with anyone who is like a liar, cheater, or someone who is not trustworthy, they are no more. They don't want to deal with that person anymore. Okay. Who is like a queen of pentacle in the reverse? Who is like a escort? If they dealt with anyone in the past with someone who is like an escort, now they don't want to deal with that person. They are clear about you. Okay, maybe just they don't want to tell the truth because they want to take the steps slowly, like one step at a time. They don't want to make things in a rush. You deserve sugar, not salt. What is this? You deserve sugar, not salt. I think you should go for this person. This person will come. Okay, if at all you are running behind someone because this person is not coming, and out of that fear, anxiety, you want to go towards someone, I think you need to take a little bit more time because you will end up with this person. Okay, thank you for watching. So hi Libra, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection, Libra. So we will go and subscribe if at all you're not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button. Libra, what's going on in your connection? You need to take stand, but you are not taking the stand because someone is going through some kind of dark depression and you feel that, Anita, This person is my lover, Anita. I love this person. I have feelings for this person. More than feelings, maybe you love this person unconditionally and they are going through some kind of dark depression. That's it. You don't want to take stand for yourself. This is the right thing to do. What is going on in your connection? What's going on in your connection? Libra, what's going on in your connection? You need to love yourself, Libra. There is no self-love. Because this person maybe need to love themselves. Because here I'm seeing they lack self-confidence. More than self-confidence, this person hate themselves. And you feel that no, Anita, this person already going. I can understand. Maybe you are an empathetic person. Libras are very balanced person. When they are thinking about themselves, they even think about others also, because they want the balance, or at least they want to do good balance equally. They want to look for that fairness in the situation. I can understand. But this person not loving themselves first thing. They hate themselves. They have insecurities, fears about their own personality. That is the reason I'm telling this person straightly hate themselves. And there is a competition, which is like a lovers. Maybe you love same person, they love same person. Okay, you both are loved in same person. Now you need to take stand with this person that I want that person is mine. But you are not taking that stand, because you are like, at least you need to take stand for yourself. If at all you love someone, you need to take stand for that person, that love, that connection. But you are not doing that. Why you are not doing is, they're already going through depression, Anita, the dark depression. They have suicidal thoughts. How can I take stand with that person? How can I fight with that person? If at all I take stand, it will be like completely ruining their mental health. I don't want to disturb them. I can understand. You may be thinking in a good way. That is the reason you don't want to take stand for yourself, or your connection, or your love interest. You know, this is a competition. You both are competing for one person. But what you are not understanding is, this person don't have self-love. So this person don't even know what is love. And do we really think that this kind of people love someone? They carry emotions for someone. They carry love for someone. Moreover, this person have a lot of insecurities, fears about their own personality. And you are thinking that this dark depression person will go towards that person whomever you are in love, and they are going to propose them. What is going on in your connection, Libra? See, before thinking anyone, we should think about ourselves. And moreover, it is about the love. It is not about other things. Heal. Take some break. Heal yourself. Listen to your intuition. You will understand that this person don't have any kind of feelings for the other person. Whomever you are thinking that they are also interested in that person, Anita. I love this. They also love. They also have love for that person. They don't have any love for that person. They just want. They are just trying. Why they are trying, I don't know. This is a sneaky personality. See, this person maybe have sneaky link with someone who is King of Cups in the reverse, who do emotional manipulation. That person not ending the cycle with this person. That is the reason they are acting like, no, I want your love interest. I hope you are understanding. This is little bit tricky situation. This person want to get rid of their sneaky link. So what they are doing to get rid of their sneaky link is, they are pretending like they are competing with you. They are not competing with you, because they know that they're never going to get your love interest, because you two people are interested in same person here based on the cards. But they don't want someone in their life who is like a sneaky link. That person trying hard for this person, 7 of Pentacles. They want to run away from this person. They ended the cycle, but the other person is not accepting. That is the reason they are acting like, no, 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 no. I am competing with this person. I want that person, not you. Actually, they are not interested in anyone. They just not love themselves. Who is in the dark depression? How can you expect that that person is loving someone? Be your own first priority. And you are thinking that, no, Anita, they are competing with me for the same person. That person is my love interest. But they are in the depression, so I don't want to fight with them. No, actually, there is no competition. This person have sneaky link with someone who is emotional manipulator, King of Cups in the reverse. They ended the cycle. They said that, see, I don't want any kind of sneaky link. But they are not accepting. They are trying hard to get that person. In any way, any ways they can get, they are trying hard. So they want to, it is like escapism. They want to escape from this person. So they are like, no, 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 I'm competing with you. Whichever that love interest, I'm also interested in that person. Actually, no interest. This person, no interest. Actually, they don't have love for anyone. Be your own first priority. Forget about other people. If at all you think that, yes, Anita, this person is my love, I'm interested in that person, take that. Stand for yourself and your love. Don't think about others. If at all you feel that, no, Anita, if at all I do, that person already mentally very ill, or they are going through a lot mentally, I don't want to disturb them, then actually they don't get any disturbance. They just want to run away from other person. They are using your situation. Thank you for watching. See, this is enough for you. Be your own first priority. Think about yourself. Forget about others. Thank you for watching. So, hi Scorpio. Welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So, today's topic is what's going on in your connection, Scorpio. So, meanwhile, go and subscribe. If at all you not subscribe, if at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Scorpio, what's going on in your connection? Scorpio, someone lost the victory. They may be competing for someone, something, some who is like an emperor. They may be competing for some new beginning with that emperor, but they lost the victory, so they want to take the plunge towards you. But you are like, I know, Anita, my intuition is guiding me, but still I'm thinking, shall I follow the guidance of intuition? I know intuitively what should I do. My intuition already guided me, but my inner child is not listening to me. My inner child is not accepting that intuition. So I don't know. You know the answer. It is not that you don't know. Intuitively, you know already what is going on, what you want, what you don't want. Maybe you need to walk away from certain situation. You are ready. Your adult self is ready to walk away, but your inner child is not ready to walk away. Your inner child is little bit stubborn. You know that you are the Scorpio, right? Someone is there in your life who want to take the plunge towards you because they lost some kind of victory. This person is maybe Queen of Pentacle in the reverse. They maybe had a fight for this emperor. They want this emperor, so they maybe competed for this emperor with someone. But this emperor got new beginning with someone else. So now they want to take the plunge towards you, but you may be not ready for it. You are still stuck in the past. You need to walk away. Here I'm not saying, see, you are still stuck in the past. It is not 5 of swords. It is 6 of swords in the reverse. Means you know you need to walk away in that situation. Wherever you are, nothing is there. But still you are like, these 2 cards are same. Logically, you know, in this situation you are not going to get what you are expecting. Intuitively, you know, you're not going to get what you are expecting in this situation. Intuitively, you already know what is good for you, what is meant for you, but still you are not moving forward. And it is like little bit of stubbornness here, little bit of stubbornness. Your inner child is like, no, I want that, like playing tantrums with you. Here it is your adult self is logically, maybe if at all I wait for some more time, maybe other person is going to change their mind. Maybe things will change into my favor. Maybe situation is going to change into my favor. It may be ended. You are not accepting the death. This situation may be already dead. What's going on in your connection? You're not going to get any kind of new beginnings here. You're not going to get any kind of, including friendship, if at all you know. I'm not expecting much from this connection. I just want that person friendship or some kind of small professional relationship. Still you won't get. Someone is taking plunge towards you. That person lost some victory with other person for emperor. With that emperor, that is Queen of Pentacle in the reverse, they are taking plunge towards you. They are coming towards you. What's going on with your connection, Scorpio? The person whomever coming towards you, they got heartbroken. They maybe juggled you and other person in the past. Now they lost the stability or that 6 of Pentacle balance. They are coming towards you. What's going on with your situation? Connection. Maybe here two people went towards different people who is not meant for you. Because here I'm not seeing only you. And now other person coming towards you, because wherever they went they lost the victory. They failed to get that opportunity. You also know wherever you went towards, that person is not meant for you. So now you both are coming towards, or at least that person want to come towards you. But here the suggestion for you is slay them all. You don't no need to entertain this person. Maybe this person is not a trustworthy. Knight of Swords in the reverse. They may be liar, or they may be criminal mindset. Maybe in the past this person juggled you and other person. You left this person. Now you don't want to deal with them. Other person also don't want to deal with them. So now they lost the balance. That is the reason they want to come towards you. Don't deal with this person. Thank you for watching. So hi Saji, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection. Thank you for watching. And as I said, if at all you are not subscribed, subscribe. 10 of Swords. Who gave you 10 of Swords, Saji? Someone betrayed you, or at least someone think that, no, I think you are betrayed by someone. Okay? Ace of Wands. Saji, it is your card. What's going on in my Sagi's connection? You are getting some new beginning. If at all you are sitting and feeling that, no, Anita, someone betrayed me, and the person is ex-boss or narcissistic boss, I trusted them, I worked for them like a machine. I kept all my efforts. I even never gave time to myself, my emotions, my feelings, my love life, my personal life. But still this person betrayed me. Don't worry, you are getting some new beginning, Ace of Wands. Some kind of creative opportunity you are going to get. Or if at all you had any kind of creative idea, then universe may be giving opportunity to execute that idea. Start something by your own instead of working under someone. Because here I am seeing you maybe worked under someone. You are very trustworthy, reliable, but they betrayed you multiple times. But you are getting the new beginning, which is your card. Your boss is ex-boss. Now this person already you left them. If at all not, leave this person. This is a narcissistic person. What's going on in your connection? Saji, what's going on in your connection? What's going on in my Sagi's connection? What's going on in my Sagi's connection? If at all you lost any kind of opportunities, which is like, maybe this person juggled you with someone. See, there are a lot of new beginnings are there for you. Maybe you are going to get married traditionally with someone. This person, leave this person. Don't go towards this person. This person may be already caught up with some STD. Knight of Wands, your ex-boss, narcissistic boss, who juggled you with someone else. They lost you as well as they lost other person also, because they got STD. Now you, when it comes to you, you are getting some new beginning with someone who is like a star, like a healer, or at least a very attractive person. You maybe got attracted towards that person or carry some attraction. You are going to get married with that person in a traditional way. You will have a lot of new beginnings. Okay, it is going to start like a small new beginning, which is like, if at all you have any idea and I want to start something, Anita, that is the reason why I worked with this person, because this person is like a boss, but they betrayed me. Then no problem. With the marriage, you may be going to get married with someone. With that person, you may be going to execute some new idea, but that idea is going to bring lot of opportunities. Okay, maybe it is like you are starting one branch. That branch is going to flourish in a multiple branches. With this person, if at all, the past person, ex-boss, if at all you are looking for any kind of new beginnings, you are not going to get. Don't go for that new old boss. Okay, ex-boss. What's going on in your connection? This person lacks self-love. They are in the poverty now. If at all you are like, what, Anita, this person did something wrong to me, they betrayed me. Then they are going through karma. They lost their self-love. They don't have love and all they are in the street. They lost all the money. If at all they are looking for any kind of victory, they may be losing all their name, fame. Their own people are coming against them. They are not going to get any kind of new beginning. It is like a karma reading. These 4 cards are karma reading. You are already listening to your intuition. You are getting guidance from some source. Just listen to that intuition. Move forward because you have good things, and you may be ended four of wands with this person. Maybe it is like a living in kind of situation. You may be lived with this person, doing business, working together, but they betrayed you. So they are getting their karma, okay? For whatever betrayal they did, they are getting their karma. You don't need to worry about it. You just listen to your intuition. You have a lot of new beginnings. Endings are inevitable. Everything is ended with this person. They are getting their karma. You are getting your justice, okay? Thank you for watching. So hi Cappy, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection. So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you're not subscribed. If at all you are not any subscribe, thank you for the subscription. What's going on in my Cappy's connection? What's going on in my Cappy's connection? What's going on in my Cappy's connection? I did not got your energy, Cappy. See, if at all you are dealing with someone who is like a hanged man, not taking any action, you may be expecting that this person is going to take action. I will become Queen of Wands. They are like an Emperor Anita. They are going to give me some opportunity. I will become Queen of Wands. Then I don't think so. They are not trusting you. You need to listen to your intuition. You know that intuitively already you maybe got the messages that this person is not trusting you. You are like, no, Anita, I want to become Queen of Wands to this Emperor. But they are listening to other people's, maybe other people are filling their ears, or they may be getting information, grabbing information from others. They may be telling something, so they gave up on you. If at all in the past this person want to build something like at least to make you like a Queen of Wands, now they are not interested. What's going on in your connection, Cappy? If at all you thought that this person is going to take your responsibilities, very responsible person, they are ready to take my responsibilities, 10 of Wands in the reverse. They don't want. Because they see that you are like a Queen of Pentacle in the reverse. It is your card, don't get triggered. Cappy, it is your card. Which is like, at least people may be filling their ears and telling that you sell yourself for the money. Like you are involved in prostitution. Are you involved with someone who is, no, it is your card. Even though you get triggered, I don't know how much truth it is, because Queen of Pentacles is Capricorn card. At least some people are telling them. How much truth, I don't know. These people are coming and telling them that whomever you want to give opportunity, whomever you want, you are thinking that they are like a Queen of Wands. They are not a Queen of Wands. They do escort. That person is an escort. So they don't want to take your responsibility. No. Why should I deal with the escort? They're not trusting you. You know that intuitively you already know this person not trusting you, but you are still want to work things out with them. You're not going to get any new beginning. They are not trusting. There is no trust. How can you expect new beginning with someone who is not trusting you? See, you need to be honest. More than speaking the truth, here I'm getting you need to be honest because you know everything. Nothing is hidden. You know, intuitively, you know, you got the messages from the universe, from psychics, so and so things. You know everything, but you are like, what is this Knight of Wands in the reverse? Maybe they know that you have STD. That's what I'm seeing. You're expecting new beginning with this person, but they are not interested because they see that you have STD because you are an little bit deep messages. Maybe someone told them that make the change. And this person have a lot of, see, you have new beginning, not with this person. Okay, you have Page of Wands new beginning, one small new beginning with someone, not with this person. But here I'm seeing you want to have new beginning with this person. You are expecting new beginning with this person, but they are not going to give because they are not at all trusting you. What's this? Make the change. If at all you want to be single, be single for some time at least. Nine of Pentacle. You have idea like, no, Anita, I don't want to deal with anyone. I just want to be single. I want to make my own career. Then I think you need to do that, because here this person is not at all trusting. Don't expect anything from this person, because there is no trust. There is no connection. Right? Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection, Aquarius. So meanwhile, go and subscribe. If at all you not subscribed, if at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription, Aquarius. Aquarius, you are competing, or at least you need to love yourself, because Three of Cups in the reverse, but you don't even carry self-love also. You may be lost love from someone whom you want to stay together, build something together. It is not couples love, but it is like at least partner kind of person. What is going on, Aquarius? What's going on in your connection? You may be like a king of swords. You need to bring self-love first today. There is no self-love. You may be lost to some friends, Three of Cups in the reverse. You may be lost to friend group or some friend, one friend with whom you had some kind of Four of Wands connection, which is living in like connection. That person may be worked against you, or they brought people against you. So and so reasons, you are not dealing with them. You are like Aquarius, king of swords. You became very logical. It's okay, but the thing is, where is the self-love? Becoming logical is not a wrong thing, but it doesn't mean that we should forget about our own emotions. When we are dealing with others, let's be logical. But what about ourselves? When we are dealing with ourselves, you want to be logical with yourself, because there is no self-love. Just because you lost to someone, just because uh, you lost friend kind of person, not even I'm seeing very deep connection, but still you lost your emotions. You need to do some inner work, going within, understanding yourself, or at least to listen to your intuition, ask what you want. You may be doing some kind of dark shit. What's going on, Aquarius? Or other person may be doing some dark shit. You need to understand that. If at all you are dealing, still you are wanting that person, maybe they are putting some dark energy, dark magic. What's going on in your connection, Aquarius? You are in your energy, but you need to be connect with your emotions also. What's going on in your connection, Aquarius? What's going on in your connection? See, you want, you are going to get a Ace of Pentacle new beginning, Eight of Wands new beginning with someone new, or you may be expecting this new beginning with someone who is not good for you, who is not trustworthy. What's going on in your connection? You are thinking logically. That's where you are like seeing the things and thinking that yes, logically this person is good. I want to go towards that person, or I want to have Four of Wands with that person. I want to take the opportunity, responsibility of that person. But you are not understanding that person is not a good person. This is a cheater, not a trustworthy person, and you want to have new beginning with that person. How can you trust someone? And why you are doing this thing? Because you are not connected to your intuition. You are just seeing the things logically. Yes, Anita, logically when I see this person is a youthful energy, so I want to have them. One youthful energy, because you are carrying lot of burdens, you are become like a old person, or at least you don't carry energy. So that's where you are waiting for this youthful energy, youthful person. But what you are not understanding is this person may be young, energetic. They are not like energetically drained like you. But this is not a right person. This is a cheater, criminal. Just because someone is youthful, like a 20 years energy, you won't have it. Because that person is 20 years and I became like a 60 years old. I don't have energy, so I want to keep that 20 years person with me. But you are not understanding what the 20 years person is doing. You need to bring your emotions, or at least to just get in touch with your emotions, where you became very logical, which is like king of swords. I just logically I think I'm already lost energy. I became like a 60 years old. Now I don't have much energy. So I want someone in my life who is very young, youthful, energetic. No matter who they are. I don't want to check the background. Let them go. because this person is a criminal. Whomever you want to have this new beginning, that person is a criminal. Why you want to go back to such person who is not good for you? Just because they are youthful. You want to take the plunge, you want to get married with that person. You are not understanding that because you won't carry emotions for yourself. That's it. Thank you for watching. So hi Pisces, welcome to What's Your Rashi. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's going on in your connection. So Pisces, meanwhile go and subscribe if at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. What's going on in my Pisces connection? Pisces. What's going on in Pisces? You don't want to change because it is your energy, Pisces. Queen of Swords in the reverse, Page of Cups in the reverse, Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups in the reverse, Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. You are not getting any new beginning. You are not changing yourself because Page of Cups in the reverse. It is your card. You need to open your emotions, or at least you need to work on your emotions. You are like, no, Anita, my heart chakra opened, but I don't want to work on it. I don't want to touch my emotions. You are dealing with two people, or you have two people, or you want two people. One is Queen of Swords in the reverse, very, very, very bad feminine. One is Queen of Cups, very, very, very loving mother energy. With both the people, you don't have any kind of Ten of Cups. You are not seeing Ten of Cups. So obviously, you won't see because first of all, you are not coming up with the cup. And you maybe want some new beginning with someone who is Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. You are not seeing any kind of new beginnings. What is the Fool energy? What's going on, Pisces? First of all, you need to change. There is I don't know why I'm getting some kind of, I will tell you. What's going on in Pisces connection? You maybe end up in the Five of Pentacles or poverty kind of thing. What is going on in Pisces connection? You're stuck. Anita, I'm stuck. What's going on in Pisces connection? What's going on in Pisces connection? You maybe have three different people, women energy, feminine energies. But you need to listen to your intuition. But you are feeling like I'm helpless. I gave up on my intuition. The reason why you gave up your intuition is you're not working with your heart. You don't want to work with your emotions. I don't want to bring my emotions, Anita. I will listen to other people, whatever other people are telling. Based on that, I will make the decision. This is also Pisces card. Other people are getting the information, Anita. So I'm grabbing the information from different people about these three feminines. Based on that information, whichever I feel that good, maybe I want to take the plunge towards that person. But now you lost the balance. You need to listen to your intuition instead of listening to other people. How much you are sure that whomever bringing the information, they are trustworthy, that information is trusted information. You cannot trust everyone, right? At least, even though you are grabbing information, you cannot trust all the information, whichever you are receiving is the right information. Don't seek anyone's approval. Here, you are, first of all, stop doing that. Maybe you get influenced by the people very easily, which is like if at all someone, you know what someone is. But still, someone comes to you and then, are you trusting this person? Are you mad? Do you know what this person did? You want to trust this person? That's it. Just easy to change your brain. It won't take much time. People can easily manipulate you emotionally, especially in the sense of emotional matter. It's like you need to work on those things. Seeking expectations. You give much power to the people's opinions, expectations, judgments. Where is your power? We should decide what we want in our life, not other people. But you are like, hey, this woman is fine. Actually, you should go with this person. You will like, okay, they said that this woman is good. I will go for that person. Someone will come, hey, I think this woman is good for you. Okay, this woman is good. I will try this person. Where is your own mind? Where is your own intuition? You don't know, because you will get influenced by other people. You lost 10 of cups because of those things, and you lost 9 of cups also. Listen to your intuition. Thank you for watching.